Alright, this isn't doing anything. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So today I'm actually really excited for this. So today I tried out the CurlMix system. So if you don't know about CurlMix, it's this all-natural site where you take a quiz, and based on your responses they kind of figure out which of their lines or which of their systems work best for your hair and what you're trying to achieve. So I took the quiz and I got the moisturizing line, and it looks like this. So this is a sample size, that's why these look so small. They have the bigger size which retails for like $82, and this one retails for $42. And like I said, they're all natural. It comes with a pure aloe vera shampoo, pure grapeseed conditioner, pure avocado moisture, and pure flaxseed gel. And yeah, so I tried this out. I watched I deep conditioned previous to this because it recommends you to do that. So I used this whole line today, and this is what I ended up with. So if you're curious to hear my thoughts on this product, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, so this is what we're working with here. So this is like the cutest little package. It comes with this refer a friend, and this is what it looks like. So we have the shampoo, the conditioner, the moisturizer, and then the flaxseed gel. So I ended up getting the lavender line because when I took the quiz, I said I wanted like more hydration, so I guess this is their most moisturizing line. So I already washed my hair, and I washed my hair with the pure aloe vera shampoo. It's a clarifying shampoo. There's no sulfates in this, so it doesn't lather up like most shampoos do. So it did feel a little weird. It has kind of like a, I don't know, kind of like a lotion consistency. It doesn't have like a really strong scent or anything. It smelled a little bit like lavender, but it wasn't like something really strong or anything like that. And after I was done, like it left my scalp feeling really, I don't know, like really fresh. This is a handmade, vegan, cruelty-free, and organic product. When I wash my hair, I don't really, like, I don't lather my whole head. I just shampoo only my roots, and then I let, you know, like the shampoo kind of just like run down to my ends, but I don't really like wash, like I don't put shampoo on my ends or anything. So I mainly use this on my scalp, and I do feel like my scalp is really like fresh feeling, so that's nice. And then I used the pure grapeseed conditioner. It says it's a hydrating conditioner with ultra slip. I didn't really feel like it had such a strong slip compared to other conditioners that I've used. Like, I'm not saying that it doesn't have any slip at all. I was definitely able to detangle my hair pretty quickly, but I also did detangle my hair previously before I deep conditioned. So that, like, so my hair was already pretty detangled. Like, it wasn't hard to detangle my hair, but it just wasn't as slippery as other conditioners that I've used before. But it wasn't bad. It definitely, like, I think this definitely hydrated my hair a lot, because, like, right now, I mean, my hair is pretty dry right now because I did my makeup and everything, but, like, it looks really moisturized. And then we have step 3 and step 4. So one cool thing I saw when I was looking at the directions in the shower for the shampoo and the conditioner, they actually list all the steps for like the whole line on every bottle. So it says cleanse and condition your hair, detangled and sectioned during conditioning phase. Step 2 is on soaking wet hair, obviously. In a steamy shower, apply a nickel-sized amount of the pure avocado moisturizer to each section. Well, I'm not in a steamy shower right now. I'm about to re-wet my hair though. Alright, so my hair is pretty soaked right now. And it says, what did it say? Apply a nickel-sized amount. Because I don't think a nickel size is going to do it for me. My hair is pretty saturated, and I don't usually style my hair soaking wet just because I feel like I get a lot more shrinkage that way, but let's see. And then scrub this. Oh wow. So this is very liquidy, like it's Alright, now it says, hands off, don't disturb the defined curls while they dry. Okay. Blow dry or diffuse to properly set hair for a longer lasting style. Wear bonnet at night to preserve curls for 3 to 5 days. Share your results. Okay, no, I don't need that. Oh, so it also has tips on here. Tip 1. For best results, deep condition your hair before applying the moisturizer. Already did that. That's a good tip. Tip 2, once you've applied it to all sections, use a small towel to scrunch oversaturated sections if you've applied too much. Do not leave clumps of product in your hair. Tip 3, air drying results in a more shrunken style. If you hope to elongate your curls, use a drying tool such as a blow dryer or diffuser. Oh wow. Alright, so I will be using my microfiber towel to scrunch out the excess moisture just because I don't want to spend forever diffusing my hair. To scrunch out the moisture, I don't scrunch upwards like people usually do. I kind of do it sideways, so like alright guys, so my thoughts so far. The shampoo, I really like it. I really enjoy it. It's sulfate free, so it doesn't lather. It's definitely a really good clarifier. I love how fresh my scalp feels after I use it, so that's definitely a yes for me. The conditioner, it was pretty moisturizing. I'm gonna have to use it again to fully know the effects of like detangling, just because like I said earlier, my hair was already pretty detangled because I was deep conditioning prior to using it, so, and it still gave me a little bit of a hard time, but I'd like to try it again because my hair was definitely very moisturized afterwards. The moisturizer, it has like a weird consistency, but I noticed that a little does go a long way, but I don't usually style my hair soaking wet, so like that, it might have just been that my hair was really wet, but I don't have any problems with this just yet. The gel, like, this has such an odd consistency. Like, odd consistency. It's really runny, but like I kind of like the fact, like it literally looks like homemade flaxseed gel. So this whole line, it has organic jojoba oil on it, and I don't know if you guys know, but jojoba oil for curly hair works absolute wonders. Even for skincare, I used to use jojoba oil as kind of like a toner, and that stuff worked wonders. So if you're still in the transitioning phase, or if your hair is really dry, like I definitely recommend scooping up some jojoba oil or any product that has jojoba oil in it. Definitely recommend, because that stuff is amazing. So I'm actually really excited, because considering that like I got the moisturizing / hydrating line, Like, I'm really curious to see how my hair ends up looking and feeling. Just because it has jojoba oil, it's really like kind of based on jojoba oil, so I'm very excited to see that. So I'm gonna go diffuse and then we'll see the results. All right guys, I'm back. So this is what we're working with here. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna break the gel cast and then we'll take a better look. Okay, so it feels really soft. It looks really moisturized. Like, it's like the curls are so defined and shiny. This looks really good. Like, it's not flat. It feels really light and airy. You could tell the products actually weren't that thick. They were really light products, so like I don't feel like that producty feeling when you put a lot of product in your hair. This feels like it feels like amazingly soft. Like, I feel like I barely have anything on my hair, and if anything, like, it's a little like oily, I guess. But these products are really light, so you can, like, if you're like me and you like bigger hair, this is definitely something you should consider. Like, overall, I really like these results. However, let's talk about the very important part of this. A very important element, the price tag. So this sample size retails in $42 plus shipping, obviously. So I just got the sample size just in case if I didn't like it. But the original size products, which I'm assuming they're probably like the size of this, if not maybe a little bit bigger. So those retail for $82. Those sets retail for $82. So it's a pretty hefty price tag. You are getting a full set, so you're getting the shampoo, the conditioner, the moisturizer, and the gel. Based on my experience today, I feel like this sample size is probably gonna last me a little bit. Just because I said, like, a little does go a long way with this stuff. You are able to get the products individually, but they're still a little bit more pricey. They cost around $26 to $27 for the regular size. If you want to get a single sample size, which is like this big, these retail for like $11 to $13. If you're really heavy-handed or you just have a lot of hair and you use a lot more product, then this might not be for you. I mean, if the price tag doesn't bother you, then by all means, I 100% recommend. So I do recommend checking out the website and see for yourself if you're interested. Read about the products, read about the cause, read about the founder, and decide for yourself, you know, if this is a product for you. Literally just heard about this product a week ago and I immediately took the quiz and bought it. I was sold. So I love trying new products, so let me know in the comments down below if you'd like me to try any new products, and I'd be glad to do it. This concludes my video, guys. I'll see you next time.